In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Ads conversion tracking for your Shopify store. This is an essential step for anyone looking to optimize their advertising spend and gain insights into what's working for your business. So let's dive right in and make sure you have all the information you need. First, we'll begin by heading over to your Shopify account. It's important to be logged into your store's admin panel. Once you're in the admin dashboard, you'll find the Home section, which gives you a quick overview of your store's performance. Take a moment to ensure everything's in place and then proceed to the next step. Next, locate the Add button on your Shopify admin page. This button is your gateway to enhancing your store with additional functionalities. You'll need to click on this button as it will lead you to an important part of today's process. Now, once you've clicked the Add button, your next stop is the Shopify App Store. The App Store is a treasure trove of tools that can help grow and manage your business efficiently. Go ahead and click to enter the Shopify App Store. Once inside, it's time to look for the right app. You'll want to use the search bar to type in Google Ads conversion. By doing so, you'll pull up a variety of apps specifically designed to help you track conversions from your Google Ads campaigns. Conversions are crucial because they tell you how many clicks on your ads are turning into actual business actions, like sales or leads. As the search results populate, you'll need to identify Google Ads Tracking and GTM from the list. This app is specially designed to integrate Google Ads conversion tracking with your store. Click on this app to learn more about its features and how it fits with your business needs. Once you've reviewed the details and feel confident that this is the right choice for you, it's time to install the app. Click on the Install button to begin the integration. Installing this app will allow it to start capturing conversion data, giving you valuable insights into your advertising performance and where you might improve. And that's it! You've just installed Google Ads conversion tracking on your Shopify store. This step will enable you to make more informed decisions regarding your advertising budget and can significantly contribute to your store's growth. Remember, tracking conversions is not just about measuring success, but also about finding opportunities for improvement. Happy selling and keep optimizing.